Hi guys, welcome back for another removal video. Here we have a 2023 Audi A3. I will remove the rear door card. It's the same for the front one. You will have 3 Torx. 2 Torx are underneath this plastic cover. Audi made a really bad job with this cover. It's really hard to remove it. And you'll have another Torx underneath. To remove this trim, start with this corner. You will have like 2 clips here, another 2 here and 1 on the bottom, and after that it slides under the door panel. 3. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. I simply pull. It's very strong, it's a strong material, but the clips are really strong. It's better if you can put something in there and push on them like that, but are really strong. Inside 2 Torx and underneath another. You need a T25. After you remove the 3 Torx, you'll have clips. They are easy to remove clips. They are the new model. Just put a plastic removal tool and pop one. After you pop on clip, put your fingers under the door panel and pull. Pull upward. For the window switch, you'll have this red tab. Pull it. And you'll have a tab under to push and pull. The other one came out right away. Very easy to remove it. To remove the swiper, it's like that. In order to remove the third brake light, just pop up the liner. Unplug this. The best way to remove it is to put something here and push on this metal, and after that you can slide it out. And that's it guys, see you next time with another removal video. Bye bye.